Hey y'all, welcome back to Sparkle and Trade. I am super excited for the video today because we are celebrating, y'all. Today is a celebration. We have hit 500 subscribers on our Sparkle and Trade channel. Y'all, this is a true community. I have connected with so many of you guys. I have gone back and forth with so many of you guys. And some people are like, don't respond. You know, I actually like responding. I actually like answering your questions. I don't mind being challenged. I don't mind y'all asking me stuff. I don't mind it at all, because when you are truly doing something to help, then you want to help. And yes, there's some things where I eventually be like, you know, we just gonna have to agree to disagree, but it's all good because I love you guys and I'm super excited for 500 subscribers. I cannot believe that we were at 500 subscribers in less like 4 weeks. Like, that is so cool. So to celebrate our 500 subscriber milestone, I want to share with you guys today my favorite stock screener. Just to give you an update, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I have started this channel to help people on their journey and to share my journey, mainly to help you manage your emotions and to share my trading journey with you. That's the whole purpose of this channel. Like I say in every video, what I'm going to say is not going to make much sense if you don't know how to trade. If you're somebody that has been searching YouTube and you've been watching 1,000 videos on trading, I'm here to tell you some of these people are not telling you accurate information, or they may tell you what works for them, and it's really complicated. Before I learned how to trade, I did not search YouTube for a ton of things because honestly, it's confusing. It's overwhelming. It wasn't until after I got trained, and the link to the training of the course that I took is in my description below. But it wasn't until after I got trained on how to trade that I started to look at these other videos. And now that I have this channel, I see these videos pop up, and I'm looking at their videos, and I'm just like, I would never take that advice. It's not because it's not good advice. It's just complicated. And I tell you guys, Teri's way, the way she teaches you is so simple. It's very easy to grasp. You don't have to worry about, you know, like all this stuff. And I'm not saying this stuff is wrong. I just think if you are a newbie trader, you need a very simple strategy to build wealth. And y'all, why make it complicated? Why make it so complicated? I don't understand all this stuff that they be using. And I mean, yes, it can help you. Yes, it can definitely give you an edge here, there. I'm going to teach you one today, actually, or strategy today that you can use that is not taught in the Invest with Teri program that can help you get a little bit of an edge in trading. But again, keep it simple. If I could tell you all anything, I would never go through YouTube and try to trade. Like, it is so complicated. You will find yourself losing money. And then, you know, I see, and then another thing I want to warn y'all about is these people that tell you what trades to get into. Like, be careful with that stuff, y'all, because it is even more important for you to know why you got into a trade. Because if you're truly managing your emotions, then you will know why you got into the trade, and you will get out because you have your risk management in place. You will get out. Like, don't get sucked into the information hole. That's this, you know, the information hole will keep you running and trying to figure it out on your own, and you're going to lose a lot of money. Instead, get the training. Go ahead and sign up already. Get the training and get trained on how to really trade and do your own technical analysis. Don't let somebody else do your technical analysis. Stop waiting for somebody to tell you what trade to get into. You know, when you know how to do it, then you can confirm what someone else says. There's some people that's out there that's getting into trades, but I'm like, I wouldn't get into that trade. Not because it's not gonna work, but that's just a little bit too risky for me. And I've already experienced a lot, okay? I've already experienced loss. So I ain't trying to experience that again. I'm doing the due diligence, do my research, and do what I need to do. So just to give you guys an update on my trading journey and how y'all like my new house. Y'all like my new house? I had to get a new house for y'all because we celebrating 500 subscribers. Once we get to 1,000, I'll get another house, okay? Because that's what here we building was. I got a new house, y'all. Plus, somebody go comment like hating on my background in my last video. I was like, let me get a new house. I love this. I love my house. Y'all like my house? It's so cute. Anyway, if y'all don't know, this is like not a real background. Like, I think they thought it was like a real background. I was like, girl, you don't like my fake background? I had to get a new house for y'all just for her. Nah, but it's for the 500 subscribers that and just to have a different set. But every time I reach a new milestone, I'm gonna get a new house. So y'all gonna see a new Bridget with a new background, and it's gonna be like, hey y'all, hey, I reached a new milestone, and we gonna do it like this. All right, so, or I might just keep this one because it's so cute. You see that? Like, it's cute. This is like for real, for real. But anyway, today I'm gonna be walking with you guys my favorite stock screener. My favorite stock screener, and a stock screener is a platform that screens stocks for you to help you decide on which stocks to get into. Now, I like to share with you my trading journey, what I actually do. So sometimes I use this stock screener and it works great, but I stick to a very simple strategy. And my strategy and the ticker symbol, I tell y'all guys all the time, if you've been watching my videos, I've been dating SPX, and me and SPX broke up after I got experience maxed off because they didn't treat me right. They was just ruthless. SPX did me wrong, but I'm happy to report me and SPX is back together again. Woo! We back together again. So I've been trading XPX again, 0 DTE, vertical credit spreads, and there's another strategy. You can do your own research, but it's called the Iron Butterfly. Highly recommend the Iron Butterfly. I actually recommend the Iron Butterfly more than I recommend vertical credit spreads. I mean, vertical credit spreads are amazing too, but Iron Butterfly is legit. Like, yeah, that's another strategy. I told you guys I do a couple of different ones. So I do the vertical credit spreads and the Iron Butterflies. Whichever one, the Iron Butterflies to me has lower risk, and you're still trading options. And vertical credit spreads is just what I love to do. I've known it. I kind of understand it. It's very simple. Iron Butterfly is if you're a little bit more advanced and you've been doing this a little bit longer. If you're interested in getting into Iron Butterflies, try it in your sim account. Try it in your sim account first before you actually get into it, so you can kind of know, like, I think there's like a income, like you have to have a certain amount of money in your account. There's certain things that you got to know and have to do, but make sure that you understand the Iron Butterfly. It's like, I think it's also called Iron Condor, but it's Iron Butterfly. That's the one that is legit. It's real. It's the one I've learned about, and I've been doing it, and I'm like, oh, this is a strategy that I also love in comparison, in I guess in tandem with my vertical credit spread. So if you're looking for my trading journey or what I'm actually doing, I'm trading SPX, 0 DTE. I trade Netflix a lot, Amazon, Apple. These are the things that I kind of look at on a daily basis to see if they are in a position to trade, because sometimes they are not in a position to trade and you shouldn't trade them. Okay, so today I'm going to share my screen with you guys to walk you through this stock screener that I love, and my favorite stock screener is, all right, guys, I hope y'all can see that, but it is called FinViz. Woo! I love FinViz. So I just recently learned about FinViz and I love it. And let me just walk you through it a little bit, tell you a little bit about it. So FinViz is a platform that really just scans stock to help people decide on which stocks they want to get into. So I want you guys to go to this screener right here. And I got ads on mine because I ain't paying for it. I don't want to pay for it. But okay, so this is the screener. If you want to know the way to scan, the way I would recommend you to scan is to go to all here. And I've already set some up for you guys. So main thing I want you to do, if let's say you're looking for a stock that's you want it to go up. So right here where it says performance, you want this to say today up. But you also want to go over industry. You want to make sure you're looking at only stocks. There's another one. You also want to see if it has been oversold. So looking for it to go back up. Which other one do I do? Like there's so many other things in here that you can look at. Which other one do I do? Average volume. I usually say like over 1 million. Some people do over 5K, but I just like over 1 million because I like really strong stocks. You can look at current volume. You can play around with these already. Average true range is a big one. I like to do over 5. You see how it goes down like real fast? Like there's not many that with the things that I need we going up. So you know, let's just say I don't do average over 5, maybe I do over 1. And again, this is not going to make any sense if you guys don't know how to trade. But from here, you could kind of look at what's going on the charts and see like, oh, that's a good one right there. Look at that. Ooh, I'm going to take a look at blue. I've never traded blue. If it's something that I haven't traded, I just look at it because I'm like, I just need to watch it and get to know, because I truly believe in like dating the trades. But like blue is on. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is blue. Y'all need to watch blue. Okay, blue. Okay, blue might be doing something. Y'all might want to take a look at that. So anyway, I like this screener. So let's just go back to the screener. Go to all. So you can like play around with this stuff if you know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, another good one is like the 52-week low. Like if you can put like, I think a really good one is to be like, let's say like 0 to 10% above the low, which means over the 52-week period, it's at the low. So again, average volume, 1 mil. The performance is today it's up. Maybe it's been oversold. And then kind of see how it's down to 23. And I usually go off of do I see anything. I don't just trade all of these. Like I don't trade like that. I usually look at this and see, okay, does any of these have my AT&T looking legit too? Okay, I'm gonna have to watch AT&T. I usually look and see, does any of these have my my watch list? So I have a watch list that I look at, and I'm like, okay, I don't know hardly any of these companies random. Like I don't even know what blue is, but I'll do some research because blue looking like interesting to me. But if I don't know the company, then I literally don't trade. Like I just don't know. I don't know hardly any of these. The only ones that's on my watch list is AT&T. Let's see if there's anything else on my watch list. Nope. Check, look at check doing something. But it has to be a strong company. Okay, it has to be a strong company. So those are a couple. I have some saved right here. So let's look at the going up momentum. These are you guys can take, you know, look at these. These are the ones that sometimes I'll use that one. You guys can copy it if you like. These are the one that the Invest with Teri ones. I'm going to skip over those, but they're very similar. They're very similar to these. So the ones that I'm showing you, oh, that's that one. Make sure it's optionable, because some trades are not some stocks you can't put an option in it. So if you can't put an option in it, then there's no reason for you to even research it, because you can't get into it. at least on the options level. So up 5%, down 5%. So that's that. So I save these. I'll save the ones, and I have my Invest with Teri ones, but y'all have to go get the course so y'all know what exactly it is that I'm talking about. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys. If you guys just use literally like just go through here and use, let's see, up 5%. Today up price. I like strong stocks, so it has stocks that are like, I don't know. I don't do penny stocks, so it has to be like a decent stock. Like I'm like cheap stuff. It has to be, and if it don't have like something like, I don't know any of these. Like I'm looking at this, and none of these are on my watch list. It means I don't know. I'm not used to the stock. I probably won't trade it if I am not sure. You know, you could say oversold, you know, and then look at the chart. The way Invest with Teri, she teaches you how to do technical analysis using the chart. So that's her thing. But anyway, let me stop this. I hope that helped you guys on at least giving you a little bit of a tip on how to find stocks that you can do your technical analysis on. So what I would suggest you do is to use the screener and then apply the Invest with Teri technical analysis. And that is how I find stocks. That's how a lot of people find stocks. But you have to do your own technical analysis, y'all. I cannot stress that enough. You have to do your own technical analysis. Don't take the lazy route out. It's super easy to get lazy and just try to make a quick dollar. Don't do that. Get in and like literally make sure that you are doing your technical analysis. So again, like I said, I'm currently trading SPX 0DTE. Me and XPS seems to be on a good, decent. We doing well. We talking. You know, they taking me out to SPS, taking me out to eat. You know, he's giving me gifts. So I'm like, okay, SPX. I guess I see you again. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to continuing our journey. Also, y'all, just one last thing. I tell you guys all the time to manage your emotions, do technical analysis. Make sure you have your risk tolerance in there. Make sure you have your stops in there. But using the screener will also help you manage your emotions. You're not just going off of whatever everybody else is saying. That's a part of doing your technical analysis, figuring out which stocks you want to get into. I only trade a few, and I like to keep it really simple and build wealth off of those few. So that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and let me know if this was helpful. Was this helpful? Let me know. All right, have a good one, guys.